Hey guys, see, here is wonderful robot. Hello, hi, how are you?
Hey, how's it going? Good.
Can you provide information about this machine?
Yeah, so this is R2-D2 from Star Wars. He's almost completely 3D printed, full size to what they were in the movies.
Printed?
Yep, about 350 plus pieces assembled and
How much it cost you?
I don't know. I don't want to know.
Okay.
Yeah, but no, it wasn't too bad, and yeah, it's just a great community of people helping each other build this stuff.
What it can do? What is doing?
He can roll around and beep and turn right now, but that's the beginning. So
How long did it take you to make this one?
it took 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah,
And you work alone, or there were other people also?
just me.
1 year.
Yeah, just in nights and weekends
Oh, okay.
during COVID.
How the idea come to your mind?
Oh, I always wanted to.
Oh, right. So you are doing this all for living, or this is your hobby?
No, just for fun, just for the smiles.
Oh, God. What do you do for a living?
I'm a software engineer.
Software engineer. So you are working for others to do your own company?
I'm between jobs right now, so yeah, let me know.
So you would like to have your business?
No, I'm looking for a job.
Oh, okay. So I will share my business card. I have a stock in this.
Awesome, yeah.
Great. This is great. This is amazing. So you said this is all 3D. 3D printed. Where did you print? In the US?
Yeah, I printed in my basement. Yeah, you can see he's got panels everywhere.
Nice. So any specific purpose of this?
This is it.
Is that so? This is good for marketing, you mean?
No, just get in front of kids, get people to see it who might not be able to afford to go to Disney or wherever, and
Okay.
just bring it to the people.
Hi. You cannot speak. It's very nice. So it is electronic.
Yeah, it's a Arduino.
Yeah.
I got it controlled with a Xbox controller, and
Do you want to have other copies of this?
of what? Of the droid?
Yes.
There's about 8 other copies over there if you want to see more.
The same.
Not all of them are printed, but there's different colors.
Okay.
There's the ball BB-8. Yeah.
What do you name this?
This one's R2-D2. He's the classic. So.
If people would like to find you, how they can find you?
Yeah, I got a link tree. My last name's Butts. I'm Jim Butts, and so you can find me Droid Butts on Linktree.
Great. Nice to meet you.
Awesome.
Thank you very much. You're
Yep.
doing a great job.